Okay guys, 2016 Buick Encore. As you can see, it is certified. Takes the bumper-to-bumper warranty out to 62,000 miles and the motor and transmission all the way up to 100,000 miles. Your first tune-up, 100,000 miles. Very, very low maintenance vehicle. You're going to change the oil every 5,000 to 10,000 miles in this thing. Before we get to the back, there are 10 airbags. Most vehicles out there only have 6. You got a lot more protection for you and your family. Let's go around to the back. Here we are in the back of the 16 Encore. I always like to show everybody that these still have a spare tire. Most vehicles out there today do not. Not only is that good if you ever have a flat tire, but if somebody would happen to rear end you, this is actually a safety feature inside the car. It helps push that car back, away from your kids, away from your family. Go ahead, hop inside. Okay, here we are inside of the Encore now. Now this one here does have the moon roof, has the navigation system built in, so you don't have to use any of your data on your phone. 8.1-inch backup screen, all your controls right here on the radio. It's all voice activated, you don't have to take your eyes off the road. Remote start, power driver seat, everything you want, comfort, convenience. Stop in, take it for a ride. This car will prove to you that you need it. Give us a call, 724-349-3000, Delaney Chevrolet Buick, 626 Water Street. We'll see you when you get here.